To fix Afterpay not working, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for Afterpay to function properly. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable network and try restarting your router if necessary. Next, verify that you have the latest version of the Afterpay app or browser extension installed, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Check the App Store or official website for updates and install the latest version. Check your account status to ensure it is active and in good standing. Log into your Afterpay account and verify that your payment method and billing information are up to date. Ensure you have sufficient funds available for the purchase and that you are not exceeding your spending limit. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as accumulated data can interfere with Afterpay's functionality. This can be done through your browser's settings or by using a cache clearing tool. If you are using a virtual private network or ad blocker, try disabling it, as these tools can sometimes conflict with Afterpay's services. Additionally, ensure that your browser is compatible with Afterpay, as some older browsers may not support the service. Contact Afterpay's customer support team if none of the above steps resolve the issue. They can provide personalized assistance and help troubleshoot the problem. Be prepared to provide detailed information about the issue, including any error messages you have received. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue with Afterpay not working. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and your device software current to minimize the risk of technical issues.